Okay, moving along. So standard form is AX plus BY equals C. That is standard form. Anybody remember standard form from Algebra 1 or geometry? You guys really don't like mornings, do you? Just school in general? But you are a morning person, JD, I can tell. Okay. So there's specific requirements. 2 requirements exactly. 1 for everything, well, for C, but A and B, A can't be a fraction. Okay, that's the first thing. A also can't be negative. So A, I made notes for me so that you guys, A has to be positive. A has to be positive. That's the first thing, okay? That's not A. This A has to be positive. Oh, I need to make these bigger for you guys because me cramming it in, it's not going to be look good. And A and B have to be whole numbers. I should say have to be integers. Have to be integers. Also, A and B have to be on the same side. So when you look at number 4, see how X is on the other side of Y? We have to move that X from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. So if you have 4X and I need to get it to the other side with the Y, remember A. Okay, so if 4X is positive, when I move it, what is it going to be? So now it looks like AX plus BY equals C. AX plus BY equals C. The problem is that first, you guys, and here's the thing. In standard form, the X has to go first. You're like, who cares? I know. But it's standard form, and this is, it's like, it's just how it goes. So AX plus BY equals C, so your X has to be first. The problem is that I just told you that A has to be positive. So in order for A to be positive, I'm going to either have to, it's the same thing. You either divide everything by -1 or you multiply by -1. It's going to give you the same answer. I just divide everything by -1. And then I have positive 4X minus 2Y equals -5. Now, what is A? So when you write A, you don't need the X, okay? What is B? -2. And what is C? You guys, your A should never be a fraction, and it should always be positive. B can be a positive or a negative. If we've done it correctly, you will never have a fraction. C could be a fraction, but A and B will never be a fraction. Okay. Now, look at number 5. What do I need to do for number 5? I got to move the 9. So if it's negative here, when I move it, what's it going to become? You're absolutely right. Not going to be negative. So then you just check. Is it in the form of AX plus BY equals C? Okay, is A positive? So then we're good. So now we're just going to write what A is, what B is, what C is. What is A? What is B? And what is C? Okay. Now 6.2 is a decimal, so it's like a fraction. So we need to get rid of that. Now I'm going to show you what I did. I automatically went and I just made that how you write 0.2, because you guys, it's not really, we always say 0.2, but that's 2/10. So if I write 2/10 x, yes I can, thank you, plus 10y equals 22. So what I did is I just converted 2/10 into a fraction. To get rid of a fraction, you're going to multiply everything by that denominator. So what is the denominator of the fraction?